Everything costs more. Groceries, rent, gas, insurance. But your paycheck? It stayed the same. That's the 2026 income gap. And if you've been feeling like you're falling behind no matter how hard you work, you're not imagining it. The math just doesn't work like it used to. Prices have outpaced wages for years. What used to be comfortable is now tight. What used to be tight is now impossible. And no one is coming to fix it for you. Here's the hard truth. Traditional budgeting is outdated. It was built for a different economy, one where prices were stable, where your paycheck could keep up. That world is gone. Budgeting tells you to track what you spend, but tracking isn't enough anymore. You need to find the leaks. You need to see where money is disappearing. You need a financial audit. A financial audit goes deeper than budgeting. It finds the subscriptions bleeding you dry, the fees hiding in plain sight, the small habits costing you hundreds every month without you even realizing it. Most people have no idea how much is slipping through the cracks. They're focused on the big bills, rent, car payment, utilities. Meanwhile, dozens of small charges are draining them in the background. The Finance Reset Toolkit runs that audit for you. It scans your spending and shows you exactly where your money is going, not just categories. Every recurring charge, every leak. Then it builds a plan, not a vague suggestion to spend less. An actual system that closes the gap between what you earn and what you spend. You see where to cut. You see where to redirect. You see what happens to your future when you plug the leaks today. The toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, a debt payoff planner, a savings goal tracker, and a dynamic scenario planner that lets you simulate changes before you make them. Want to see what happens if you cancel 3 subscriptions and redirect that money to savings? Run the simulation. Want to see how fast you can pay off debt if you close the gap by $100 a month? Run the simulation. Your income might not change tomorrow, but how you manage it can change today. Close the gap. Link in the description. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.